Meaning of dimpled.
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 Dimpled. Dimpled means having small, shallow indentations or depressions on a surface. The result of something being dimpled can vary depending on the context. For example, a golf ball is often intentionally dimpled to reduce air resistance and increase its distance when hit. Dimpling of the skin can be a natural physical trait or caused by conditions such as cellulite. Dimpling in metalwork can add texture and visual interest to a piece. Overall, dimpling is a common physical characteristic that can occur in a variety of materials and contexts.